Now I want to share with you how to solve one of the identity using something given. That is, if I take the question, if cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, then what is the value of cos theta minus sin theta? Or the question can be asked like this, then prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equals to root 2 sin theta. So this is one of the very good question belonging to the topic trigonometric functions. So here what we need to do, whatever given to us, we have cos theta plus sin theta is equals to root 2 cos theta. This is given, cos theta plus sin theta is equals to root 2 cos theta. What we want to show, with the help of this portion, we want to prove cos theta minus sin theta is equals to root 2 sin theta. So I just can say, if I shift this 1 cos theta from left hand side to right hand side, then the equation will come in this shape. The sin theta is equals to root 2 cos theta minus 1 cos theta, which is transferred from left to right. Now we can proceed like this. Sin theta is equals to, if cos theta is common, then it is root 2 minus 1. If I divide it by this, so I can say it is sin theta when root 2 minus 1 will come in the denominator of the left hand side, then the equation will become sin theta upon root 2 minus 1 is equals to cos theta. Now I will say for rationalizing the left hand side. So this will be root 2 plus 1 sin theta upon root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 is equals to cos theta. Now we can see after rationalization, this part root 2 plus 1 when multiplied by sin theta will give us root 2 times of sin theta plus 1 time of sin theta. Upon root 2 plus 1 root 2 minus 1, this become root 2 whole square minus 1 whole square is equals to cos theta. Question is that denominator in the left hand side become 1. So this is root 2 sin theta plus sin theta is equals to cos theta. Reason is very simple, because root 2 square is 2, 1 square is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So denominator 1 may or may not we can write. If I ask you to shift sin theta from left to right, what will be the result? Result will be root 2 sin theta is equals to cos theta minus sin theta. This is the required result which we would like to show. So there are various problems which we have discussed in class 10th as well as you will solve in class 11th, which are related to applying the trigonometric ratios and trigonometric identities, and somehow few more results like rationalization, shifting, etc. Now I will discuss with you some more type of problems related to the topic trigonometric functions.